Between losing my drone and an irritating rental car experience, Nina, Jordan, and I were more than ready for a relaxing day in the French Riviera. We went swimming at Mala Beach and got to see Monte Carlo and the country of Monaco, also known as Nina Dream World.
I think Monaco's my favorite city I've ever been to. I really like it here.
The perk of turning in our rental car in a major city like Nice was that they had a DJI drone store right next to where we were staying for the night.
One day after losing the drone, we're here buying a new one. Jay can't live without it. What are you deciding between?
Probably gonna get DJI Mini 3 because my last drone was this big. Now it's gonna be about that big.
After buying the drone, it was time to snag a quick bite. Look at these little fries! Then we took a quick train ride to Cap d'Aile with hopes of finding a good beach. This would be the first time I had seen the Mediterranean Sea.
I know it's hard to see in the videos, but the water here is so blue. The houses are beautiful, the water's beautiful, there's like caves to explore. I love it already. I don't know that it's the budget traveling destination, but to resort here, if we can ever afford it, yes.
With how beautiful the coastline is, it was no wonder that in 2019, France was the most visited place in the world. As we walked along the coastal path, we eventually reached the stairs that led to Mala Beach. I can't even imagine what a nightmare this walkway becomes in high tide or with crowds of people, but for now, it felt special, like it was just for us. Once we found a spot, Jordan jumped in, before I could even get my camera ready.
No way. It's super easy. Wow. That's so easy. That was inspiring. All right, can you not just jump in this time and wait? Be patient.
Wait?
Be patient.
Be patient.
Similarly, I could hardly wait to open up my new toy either.
It's so cute.
Although I was hesitant to try and fly him out by flying over the water, I was still recovering from my last one drowning. But that didn't stop us from going for a swim in the crystal clear water.
You hopping in or what?
Yeah, I'm doing it.
All right, do it. Monte Carlo dreams fulfilled. Oh yeah. You feel like Selena Gomez?
I wish I had my goggles.
The beach as a whole was pretty magical, but I will say the pebbled shore was nowhere close to competing with the fine sand beaches of California. But before we could get too settled in, we wanted to catch the train over to the most densely populated country in the world, Monaco.
Last night I got the boys to watch my all-time favorite movie with me, which is Monte Carlo. Yes, like the one with Selena Gomez. And today we are in Monte Carlo. We're only here for a few hours, but has not disappointed. We're gonna walk around, maybe get some gelato. I'm so excited.
Dreams in the act of being fulfilled.
Something to know about Monaco is it is classy. The casino, the Hotel de Paris, and then a few other places, you need a nice posh outfit to get in. I've been the only one allowed in some of the places today because the boys are wearing shorts. You want to come in?
We weren't allowed in.
Not appropriate outfits?
Yeah.
Should I get naked right now?
No, bro. It's
I can put pants on right now. Think you like that?
With a quick look at the harbor, it probably doesn't surprise you to find out that in 2014, almost a third of Monaco's residents were millionaires.
I think Monaco's my favorite city I've ever been to. I really like it here. It's super clean. To make my Monte Carlo dreams even better, we stopped for some gelato.
They have these sweet little seating spots with an outlook over the harbor.
Full service restaurant. And everyone says it's girls that go to the bathroom together.
I was thinking we were gonna have to walk back up, but fortunately, Monaco knows what they're doing.
It was crazy that we were able to see so much of the French Riviera in just half a day. And as always, thank you for watching this video. Come back next week to see us try and escape the crowds of one of the biggest tourist destinations in Italy, Cinque Terre.